March 27th, we're in Oklahoma. You can see this Cessna Citation 2 coming in. Had a main gear failure, some kind of malfunction. There you can see the left side main gear tire deflated. It's skidding along here, but the pilot's doing a good job. There were 4 on board, 1 pilot, 3 passengers, no injuries. They did hit 1 runway light as they came in. November 550 Delta Whiskey was the tail number. Here it is slowing up. No fires, you can see. So firefighters they're probably in their standby. And as soon as that aircraft came in, they're gonna go ahead and do a scene size up. So looking at the aircraft, no smoke showing, no fire. This is a Oshkosh Striker, 3,000 gallons of water. You can see that long boom on the top. That's for Pierce aircraft. So all in all, good on that one. Moving on, we're in India. This is an Indian Coast Guard helicopter, March 26. You can see it's running into issues here. Shortly after takeoff, this is doing a test flight, and the controls weren't responding. There were 3 on board, 1 injured, the rest were okay. You can see them climbing out now. Their ARF is responding quickly. No fire on this one, but you're definitely going to have to check out the passengers and see what kind of injuries they have. Luckily, they were okay. It happened at Cochin Airport in India. Here it is here. You can see the damage. Firefighters are on scene. Other authorities, they pulled the hand line. Looks like they did throw some foam out there. You can see that white on the grass. This is the helicopter. That Indian Coast Guard helicopter. But yeah, all in all, nobody died on this one. Always good. Here's that Cochin International Airport in India. But must be a bummer to do a test flight and have the maintenance say it's all good and you go up and crash. So moving on, we're in Boa Vista Airport. They just took off in Brazil, March 25th, 2023. It was a Piper PA-34, a Seneca 2, Papa Romeo, Foxtrot Delta Lima was the tail number. So they lost engine power, the aircraft level, and came in and ditched, and they're all okay, which is the main thing. But yeah, that was that Seneca, Piper Seneca 2. Here it is in all its glory. And then here's that Boa Vista Airport. You can see they took off here, and then they went over this river and into these into the piers where they ended up ditching. And then last but not least, we're in St. Augustine. We're in Florida, March 23rd. You can see this aircraft went down. Firefighters had to get on scene, look for the aircraft. It was a Piper PA-46-350P. Really burnt. Got the fire out. And the tail number is November 280 Kilo Charlie. There, that Malibu Mirage, you can see 2 on board and a dog. They were all injured. They struggled to make it over the airport fence, so they took off from here, Northeast Florida Regional Airport, this short runway here, runway 24, and they had some kind of engine problems right off the bat. Barely cleared the highway. People that were driving said the aircraft was flying very low, and they ended up going into these trees. So didn't say exactly what was the cause, but there you can see firefighters did a good job pulling those hand lines. I'm sure they had to hump some hose and had a hard days of work getting to that aircraft and making sure everybody was okay, getting them to the hospital. But yeah, a lot to get to today. Thanks for staying for the whole way. If you have, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. As always, this is Arfan O'Kearney. I'll see you guys next time.